Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing a very cute gingerbread man. Right, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Before we get started, we just need a few drawing supplies. We need something to draw with. I like to draw markers, but you can use pencils or anything else. Something to draw on, some paper, and then something to colour in as well. So again, I like to use markers, but you can use paint, oil pastels, colouring pencils, whatever you like. Alrighty, so you ready to go? Alright, so we're going to draw our cute gingerbread man. Now, to make him look very cute, we're going to actually draw a really big head. So normally if you draw a big head and a small body, it makes him look really cute. Now, with these really big circles, what I like to do is draw little bits of the circle at a time and then move the paper around. It just makes it easier to draw a very large shape. So I just do a bit of a curve there, then turn the paper around, and then continue doing the curve around like that. You can just do it in little sections, and that just gives it a nice shape, and it makes it so much easier to draw those big circles. Oh, there we go. So it's a nice big oval, and I think it's just the way that your hand moves, it just makes it a nice curve there. So that's his head, and now we can start putting in the details of his face. So what I'm going to do is, again, just turn the paper slightly. I'm going to start drawing the eyes. Okay, so these are going to be the bottom of his eyes. We're going to make him have little chubby cheeks so he looks extra cute. And then we can draw some big eyes. Like that. So that's his eyes, and then we draw his pupils inside. For a slightly small eye. What I like to do is in the eyes, I like to add highlights. So what I'll do is I'll add another circle in the corner there, and then sometimes if there's space, add another circle there as well. So it's the light reflecting off his eyes. Now you can colour his eyes in a different colour. I'm just going to very quickly just colour those eyes in black. There you go. And then we do the same on the other side. And there we go, another circle and another circle, and I will colour that in as well. So you notice that with making things cute, they have lots of round shapes, and they're normally quite big shapes as well, so a big head, big eyes, and things like that. Okay, and then if they're going to draw a mouth, he's a happy gingerbread man, as all gingerbread men and women are. Big smiley face like that, and because his mouth is open, we're going to draw another little curve in there, and that's his tongue, so he's very excited there. And then what we'll do is we'll just put some circles on his cheeks, and we can colour those in differently, different colour later, and that'll just make him have rosy cheeks. Now we've got all the space here on the top of his head. Now since he's a gingerbread man, he doesn't really have hair, but what we can do is we can draw a shape of his hair. So if this was a real gingerbread, you'll probably do this with icing, or maybe add some sort of candy to it. But we're going to draw some nice loops there like that, and just follow the shape around. Do the other side as well. There we go, so it kind of looks like he's got hair. Okay, so that's his face, he's starting to look cute. And then we've got to do the rest of his body. So the body we'll do down here. Again, it's going to be quite small compared to his head. We'll go down, and it's just like drawing a J there, and then we draw a little line there between his legs, and then we draw a J shape there as well, going the opposite direction. Alright, so there we go, so that's his body. Next we'll stick out some arms, and these are just a nice oval shape. Like that. So you can see it's just lots of round shapes, lots of big curves and ovals. Alright, so there you go, starting to look really cute. Now with all gingerbread men, they have some decoration on their body as well. So let's do the arms first. Now just like the top bit of his hair, we're just going to do two little lines there, so it looks like that's the sleeve of his shirt that he's wearing. But if this is a real gingerbread man, this will probably be some icing that you put on him. And we'll do the same with the legs as well. We'll pretend that this is the bottom of his pants to do some curved lines there like that. Okay. Now, our gingerbread man likes to dress up smartly, so I think we'll give him a bow tie because he's a little bit fancy. There you go. And just a sort of square shape there, and then sort of triangle sticking out on the side here, but most of the triangle is going to be hidden behind that shape there. Okay, and just a little line there like this, so it looks like his bow tie has been tied up. Now, of course, the last thing we need to do is give him some buttons. So these are normally when you make a gingerbread man made out of like some sort of chocolate candy, like M&Ms, or maybe some sort of gummy. Alrighty, there we go. Just touch up his eye, and that's all the line work done. So we finished drawing him. The next step is to colour in. So I'm going to fast forward this part, but we'll see you back very soon. And we're back. Our gingerbread man has all been coloured in, and I think he's looking pretty good, looking pretty delicious. What I've done is I've added some shading in here so it creates a bit of depth, and I've added just some details in here, just some little brown spots all over him, so it just looks like the texture of a gingerbread man. Well, there you go. So I hope you had lots of fun, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out our other videos and like this video as well. But thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!